Now she want to help me. Before I was helping her.
Step there.
Yeah. Okay, pame. Ate, siga-siga eh. Wow, there's a bee with flower. They're kissing each other.
Hey yo.
Yeah.
Hey yo.
Yeah, nice.
Move it. Nice.
It's nice.
He's dying.
What dying? That is the food of the bee. Pame. We are alive because of the bee. Because without bee, there's no flower. There's no flower, no food. The food, the fruits is coming from the tree with the flower. If
Mama, you cannot go, but I can go.
it's okay now. Now I can do it.
I can go.
Okay, Ate. Let's see how she will go. Someone draw something.
Where?
Ading siga-siga. Hala, pame ate. What are you doing? Don't throw any rocks.
Why?
Of course it's dangerous. We might slide. That's why there's landslides. You know that?
I'm trying to kick rocks. See them.
You're laughing at me. Oh, now Chris is dancing. Oh, look, she's dancing. Oh. Bravo, Pedge. Yeah. Oh, nice. What kind of flower is that? It is plant. It's a rare plant. Okay. Pame.
You can go. Help me, God.
Little bit more. Little bit more. There. Let's go in the art. The one I was telling you. Go there. Yeah, art there.
Help me stop.
Ate. Uy,
The car is bringing me.
the car. This is amazing experience. Bravo, Pedja. You are not afraid. Here. Where are you going?
Mama, the back saying it's here.
No, it's here. Look. 1998. Who? Ergoland. Art. Si Pera Tis Micaelas Caragiani. 1998-2001. Oh, that means she built this one. Wow. She came here?
The girl made this?
Yeah.
She made
A girl. How did she do that?
Perfect circle. Let's go.
It's a rock. How did she go there? How did she climb and put all the rocks there? Post naksero ke go. This one is like, how you call that? Ate. She started from the middle? Nice.